Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel Anagram. Welcome back to another video of gold jewelry collection. In today's video, the jewelry design are gold jhumka that are Indian style. So watch the whole video to see new and latest collection of Indian gold jewelry jhumka designs. And don't forget to show your love by like the video, subscribe my channel and pressing the bell icon so that you can stay updated for upcoming jewelry collection videos. So watch the whole video so that you guys can't miss any design of jhumka collection. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, enjoy the video. Bye bye.